Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. It is not even a month since Mamata Banerjee took office as West Bengal Chief Minister for the third time and formed her cabinet, and already she is faced with another big challenge. As many as 4 leaders of the TMC have been arrested by the Central Bureau of Investigation in connection with the Narada bribery case today. Two of them are sitting ministers. The latest developments have seen Mamata Banerjee facing off with the Central Investigative Agency once again. Even in the past, in 2018 and before assembly elections, Mamata Banerjee versus CBI face-off highlighted the Mamata Banerjee versus central government fight. Mamata has accused the central government of using the CBI to destabilize her government in West Bengal and bring precedent's rule in the state. On the other hand, questions were also raised on the CBI's action that now come amid the state's fight against coronavirus pandemic, which has now taken a very serious turn. Let us first understand the turn of events one by one. It all started with Firhad Hakim, a minister in Mamata Banerjee cabinet, being called in for questioning by the CBI. The agency then arrested him. Following his arrest, the CBI also took Subrata Mukherjee, another minister, TMC legislator, Madan Mitra, and former minister Sohan Chatterjee in their custody in connection with the Narada sting case. According to the CBI sources, a charge sheet will be filed in the Narada case against the four, and they will seek custody for questioning. All of them were state ministers who were seen taking money in the purported Narada sting operation. The tapes were released ahead of the 2016 state assembly polls. The Calcutta High Court had ordered a CBI probe into the sting operation in March 2017. As the news broke, a furious Mamata Banerjee landed at the CBI office. Banerjee then started a sit-in at the CBI office here and demanded from the officials to arrest her. The chief minister then rushed to the 15th floor of the Nizam Palace, where the CBI has the office of its anti-corruption cell. Meanwhile, scores of TMC workers accompanied the leader and gathered outside the CBI office. There was scant social distancing and almost no regard for the COVID-appropriate behavior. The workers also indulged in a clash with the Central Security Forces. According to some reports, they also pelted stones at security officials. The Central Forces guarding the CBI office had to resort to bait-and charges to disperse the protesters. Later in the evening, Banerjee left the CBI office. However, while her 6-hour-long wait at the CBI office, she was heard telling the officials that the arrest of her MLAs is illegal since no permission was taken from the Speaker of the State Assembly or the government. It was in fact Governor Jagdeep Dhankar gave his consent to the CBI for filing charge sheet against the 4 accused and sanctioned prosecution against them. As the huge crowd gathered outside the CBI office, Governor Jagdeep Dhankar alleged total lawlessness and anarchy and warned of repercussions. Mamata Banerjee's nephew, Trinamool MP Abhishek Banerjee, also appealed for calm. He said, "I urge everyone to abide by the law and refrain from any kind of activity that violates lockdown norms for the sake of larger interest of Bengal and its people. We have utmost faith in the judiciary and the battle will be fought legally," he tweeted. Meanwhile, Matthew Samuel, whose portal carried out the sting, has this to say.
मैं सबसे बोला था, देखो मैं वेट करने के लिए तैयार है, इसका रिजल्ट के लिए तैयार है, बट उसके लिए टाइम लग गया. So this is actually the fighting against the corruption. Anyway, finally they arrested, and other 2 of the top MLA, they also arrested. And my question is, why Suvendu Adhikari? What happened to him? He also received the money from me, and it was recorded and handed over to CBI. What happened to him? Justice have to go everyone in same manner.
The Narada sting operation was allegedly conducted by Matthew Samuel of Narada News Portal. In the tapes, several TMC ministers, MPs and MLAs were allegedly seen receiving money from representatives of fictitious company in exchange of promised favors. The tapes were made public just before the 2016 assembly elections in West Bengal, and since then this case is one of the high contentious point between the TMC and the BJP. Now let's talk about why no action has been taken against Suvendu Adhikari and Mukul Roy. However, as 4 of the TMC MLAs have been arrested, questions are also raised as to why the CBI let Suvendu Adhikari and Mukul Roy off the hook. Among the big names who were caught taking bribe in the tapes were Suvendu Adhikari and Mukul Roy as well.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.